All right, we are back, guys. It's time to roll out a recipe. Good to see the folks at Chief Brand Products. I have the man, Leon Coldero, the man from Cantaro, here with me this morning and today with us. Welcome back, my brother.
Thank you very much, sir.
You on the show and last year or year before?
Year before.
Year before.
Yes.
I remember you told me like a couple years ago that you started now coming back home a little more regularly. That's so. Mm-hmm. Where you based?
Well, actually 6 months in Orlando, Florida, and 6 months home.
That's your routine now.
That's how I got the scrap iron.
So the 6 months in Trinidad, you lie down and you hear scrap iron buying, old battery buying.
Yeah, and so that's what you need to do. You need to come home and feel what's happening and feel the vibe. Exactly. If I was staying outside, I'd never get that.
Oh no, you're singing about winter, snow, and all kind of.
Yeah. I think that had nothing to do with Trinidad and Christmas and not anymore.
Well, no, I mean that was a piece of inspiration. I mean,
it was.
That has been around a long time.
Yeah.
Those guys selling the iron and buying the iron, and that was like just ready to make into music.
Well, I don't know if anybody never really thought about it because somebody said, Leon, you really catch them off guard.
Yeah.
But it come out of the, it was just something that was there. It's already there. It's on the lips of everyone. People know it, so why not?
And iron is such a
iron is a
it's such an instrumental role in our whole culture. We're running out of recipe because it's the folks at Chief Brand Products. Now, Leon Coldero is, despite the fact that he is a Christmas man, and most of us know him for his Christmas music. I'll talk to you about Carnival in a while, but most of us know him for his Christmas music. Leon, see how you looking? Six-pack and thing happening this doing, right? Leon don't do pork.
That's correct.
Don't do pork. Now, more and more, Leon, I have found people you're interacting with over the time, not doing pork, not doing, people are turning a vegan lifestyle. And around Christmas time, they had to eat too.
Yes.
So because Leon didn't do pork, I really wanted to do a roast pork today. I'll be truthful.
I need to change it, man.
When Leon to be coming, I say, just so Leon do it pork. So I got a piece of beef. So we're doing a roast beef.
But you don't find pork is very significant with parang and paranderos and around Christmas time?
That's why I say I put my head on a block. I put my head on a block. You come in, you could come on and lash a pork with me.
Yeah, but no, I don't do the pork.
You don't do the pork. You don't do the pork.
I do the anal.
Fear not, because the same flavor and seasonings that we were going to use, the same chief seasonings and flavorings that we're going to do on the pork, we could do on the beef.
Right.
So we got a nice beef round. You can get a beef loin. They're selling it nicely like this in the supermarket now. Mm-hmm. And it's really so simple. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to start to stuff this pork with, pork, is beef. I'm going to start to stuff this beef with some garlic cloves. I have Leon on the onions, and I want a nice big chunk, and then you're just layering a bed of onions there for me. So you chop that up. Nice. And while you're chopping that up, Leon, I am going to insert some little holes. This is a simple roast beef, guys, and I'm going to show you in a bit some very, very interesting flavors from Chief. Many people think Chief Brand is just curry. Chief Brand has an array of seasonings that will blow your mind. So, Leon, I don't know if this is a little secret, I think that is a well-known secret. You insert some garlic cloves in here.
Yeah, I would do that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you kind of inject that garlic flavor with a nice slow roast.
Yeah.
Yeah. You cook, Leon?
Yes, I do.
You have to make cook before you come here.
I cook almost every day.
Every day?
Every day.
How long have you been cooking? I mean, you cooking from since inception, or you started cooking?
I started cooking at probably about age 15.
Serious?
I just love my belly. I love good food. And to me, if I don't cook it myself, it's just not good enough.
You serious?
I'm serious. So I really eat out.
So you were cooking since you're in Trinidad, or when you went away you started cooking?
Since I'm in Trinidad.
Since you're home you're cooking?
Yeah.
And when you migrated, you
just continue to get better.
Yeah. Good ingredients out there.
Well, it's not the ingredients, because to tell you the truth, I live out there, but I cook like if I'm living here. Because I look for the ingredients that I'm accustomed to.
That you're accustomed to.
With. The shadow Benny, the Spanish thyme, the Polish thyme, you know what I mean? Whatever it is that, of course, I'll infuse some different spices that, I would acquire taste for.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
the oreganos and the rosemaries and whatever else.
Yeah.
But, cooking is an art. And to me, it's all about, like, I will taste what I'm cooking before it's finished cooking. I don't eat pork, but I'll cook you pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, and when it's done, people will be like, wow, Leon, and with no tasting.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
even taste when I'm cooking.
Chef Cheryl on the show, she doesn't do meat. She doesn't eat meat at all.
Okay, but she cooks meat.
And
when she's done.
And it blows as well. Oh, this thing was
Yeah.
tasting good. Yeah, serious. That's a serious thing. So, you can lay that there for me. I am just going to use some nice pink salt from Chief.
You want me to shell them out?
Yeah, shell them out. So lay it out nicely. And this is some nice pink salt, good healthy salt. And I am salting and peppering my roast. So make sure you properly salt, get it all around, right? Nice salt and pepper. Now, seasoning this is kind of important. Sometimes we've always kind of said here locally, season it, leave it, let it kind of marinate a little bit. That's kind of very, very important. Right. To that now, I am using the Creole seasonings from Chief. Now, they have the normal Trini green seasonings. Right. But I just found that this has an interesting
aroma to it.
Yeah, it just let me just get this here, Leon. It just has a kind of nice, almost like a chutney.
Yes, it has that kind of chutney masala.
Yeah, masala kind of thing. So what I wanted to just experiment with is to use the Creole seasoning, as they call it, and just layer it all around the beef, all sides. Yeah. So I have some steak seasonings that I have here. It's the Chief steak seasoning, and I want a full tablespoon of steak seasoning. So what this is, it's going to be a nice spice rub that I'm going to add. For a little heat, I just want about a teaspoon of chili flakes. To that.
Let me know when you're good here. You need more?
No, man, you're looking good there. You're looking good there. Nice. You're looking good there. I have some ginger. All this available, as I said, by Chief. About a teaspoon of ginger as well. Smell that? Yeah, ginger. I have some paprika that I want to add. And just about a teaspoon of paprika as well. And to that, I just do a nice little mix, make sure it's all kind of combined together. Right. The steak seasoning, if you're doing any type of beef at all, the steak seasoning highly recommended. To that there now, you just put that nice spice rub all over this liberally. Make sure it's kind of coated all over. Top and bottom. Many people we kind of season just the top,
right.
But we eat the entire, so
all
around. So you season all around. You get it all nice and coated as much as you can. Yeah.
Looks good.
Looks good. This goes straight on top of your bed of lettuce, your bed of onions, on your bed of onions. That goes in the oven and bake slow and low for 1.5 to 2 hours. Now, it depends on how you like it. Right. If you like it medium, I would say as I check it after an hour and a half. If you like it well done, allow it probably 2 hours. 2.5 probably if you like it very well done. Right. But I like it, a little medium. So I can leave that. What the final touch to this?
Adding some butter.
I just put a little butter on that. Bake covered in the oven. Cover it and let it roast nice and slow. And that meat will be tender. And you will try it when we come back.
That's what we're going to do.
We roll out a recipe. It's the holidays. That is a dish. If you're not eating pork, you can surprise your non-pork eaters with a lovely roast beef on your Christmas table this Christmas. Thanks to the folks at Chief Brand Products. Leon Coldero, the man from Cantaro, is here with me. This year he's saying battery buying, old scrap iron buying, battery buying. We coming back to you.